What's going on YouTube? Tony here with a quick video. Shout out to T-Mobile for this one. Hashtag be Magenta. So I would say a while back I entered this competition on Twitter. Let's kick off a giveaway for customers and team members today. It's easy. Just make sure you're following me and retweet this post for a chance to win. I'll give 25 of you this. So they went ahead and did this giveaway, hashtag Magenta prize pack on Monday, and I won. So I got the package yesterday. I'm making a video today on it. We're going to open this together, and it kind of shows you everything that you got, but we're going to see firsthand what it really is that's in there. And yeah, so we're going to check that out. So I went back and I looked up. Right here you can see my name's in there. Let me zoom in. You can see it at the top, Tony Pazzo 216. So yeah, I didn't even know it was a winner. Someone tweeted me and told me, someone who watches my YouTube videos, they came out and said, you won. So I was like, I won what? I totally forgot about it. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and unbox this real quick. Hashtag be Magenta, hashtag T-Mobile, hashtag T-Mobile prize pack. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Kind of blacked out some of my information there, and we're going to go cut it right into the box real quick and see what it is that we got here. Well, we know what it is, but we're going to check it out firsthand. And I do rock Pumas, so I know there's a Puma backpack in here, so that's going to be pretty cool. I'll show you my Pumas here in a minute. Yeah, let me show you that now. I have some Puma gear already, but anyway, so we got some packaging paper here. We got a little shipping receipt, some more. I don't know what that is. Let me see what this is. A return form. And why would I return it? But anyways, you get one just in case, with some information here that I'm not going to show. They have my personal address and stuff. So we do have pens. So these are T-Mobile pens, pretty cool. Let's check one of them out. T-Mobile pens, and then we have some T-Mobile bracelets. Check those out too. Check it out, T-Mobile in magenta. One is in magenta with the white T-Mobile logo, and the other one is white with the magenta T-Mobile logo. Pretty nice. And we have the T-Mobile pens with the T-Mobile on there. Pretty nice. Is it a marker? Yeah, it is a marker. So it's a pen on one side, and it has a magenta colored marker on the other. I got 1, 2, 3, 5 of these. The next one is, I think this is like a planner, like a T-Mobile planner. So you can put some notes in there and whatnot. It's magenta with the T-Mobile logo on it. Then we have, what is this? This, I believe, is the water bottle. Here it is, the water bottle. T-Mobile branded. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got a little holder there. I like that. I definitely use that. I'll probably use this today. Then we have this right here, which is a laptop case for this will definitely fit my MacBook Pro. I mean my MacBook Air 13-inch should fit right in here. Really nice. I like this. Very nice. Magenta on both sides. Check it out. Unzip it real quick. Oh, it's definitely nice. Definitely going to use this today too. Put my MacBook in there. And then we have this last one right here. That's all that's in the box. And this should be another water bottle. But They forgot the main things that I wanted. I don't see it in the box. They forgot the backpack. So they sent me everything but the backpack, which is the Puma backpack was the main thing that I actually wanted. Oh, I don't see it here. So they skimped out on me when it comes to that. Let me see if it's on the list. Let me cover my information. So the Puma backpack is scratched out. Looks like I didn't get it. It's back ordered, so I should get it. They should be sending it to me later. But yeah, that's definitely the main thing I wanted in here, but it's not. They didn't ship it. So Puma backpack gray. Hopefully they'll send that out soon. Yeah, I'll probably contact them later. But yeah, this is it. Missing the backpack, but I got everything else just like they said. Let me see. Got the water bottles. Got the planner. Got the pens, which I'll open up real quick. Got the 5 pens. T-Mobile 5 pens. And I got the bracelet. I'll probably throw one on today. I'm in the T-Mobile mode, so I'll probably rock one today. There go the little bracelets. You guys can check them out better. T-Mobile bracelets. Pretty nice. Shout out to T-Mobile. Once again, I'm missing my backpack. Definitely want that backpack so I could rock my Puma gear with it. Now let me show you my Pumas real quick before I end this video. But this is a price pack from T-Mobile. Let me show you right there. Once again, I am missing the Puma backpack, but I'll show you my Puma gear that I have. Alright, so I have some Puma shoes, suede, old school b-boy style. I got the Puma hat that I rock with it, and then I got the little Puma t-shirt that my wife got me the other day. So I like that. So yeah, I'm just waiting on a backpack, and I'll be all set. Still have the T-Mobile sunglasses. I still have the T-Mobile socks that I'm gonna be T-Mobiled out and Puma. So yeah, quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just pure entertainment. I'll let you guys know when my Puma backpack ships. Hopefully I'll get it within a couple of days or so. Catch you guys later. We out.